Waking up with a hard penis is very, very good health signs. That's
I feel
why
good for myself. I'm
yeah,
39.
At 39 and you got morning wood. That's pretty good. That means you got a lot of testosterone. So when you look at testosterone releases between the hours. It's 4 releases men. His production between, and it's by way of cholesterol. Cholesterol is what make testosterone, pregnenolone, progesterone, and estrogen. In men, it's testosterone. That's your manly hormone. It's acidic in nature, but it gives you that extra edge as a man to, to go protect, to do manly things, to lift heavier weights. And the more testosterone a man have, the longer he live, because it increases blood flow. So when you see testosterone is actually produced between the hours of 5 a.m. and 11 a.m. Between those hours is the high maximum potential of testosterone. So when the body releases testosterone by way of the gonads, what it does is it releases itself in the bloodstream, and it thins the blood through something called tannins, and it releases blood flow and production by way of the pituitary gland throughout the whole body. It just so happens, since testosterone is produced by the gonads with zinc and with copper and with selenium, that's the first